Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The following list on Instagram is not ordered chronologically by who you followed most recently, although the followers list is chronological. It's unclear why one list is chronological and the other is not. Instagram has not confirmed the reason for the following list order.
Take our lead.
Step 1. Click the Explore and Search button on your profile page. Step 2. Search for the username of the Instagram whose recent posts you are interested in. Step 3. When you come to the person's profile, you will see his recent posts, with the most recent at the top and the oldest at the bottom.
Make your mark, take our lead.
So if you're following some person for instance, and luckily if you're the first one it means the account is new and you're the first one to know about that person's being on Instagram, and if not you anyone else would have been their first follower. Not a big deal as it's a global platform in which millions of users.
Take our lead.
If they don't have a name attached to their profile, then they will be placed at the top of your list as a most recent follower above the alphabetically ordered list. If you have more than 200 followers, then the list will be organized using an algorithm based on interaction.
Let's help you make your mark.
Instagram can be a great app for sharing photos and videos with your friends, family, and followers, but it's not the best app for those who are concerned about their online privacy. As it stands, there's no real way to know if anyone is stalking you on Instagram.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Instagram now shows who you interact with the least and who's in your feed the most. Head to the Profile tab, person icon, in the bottom right corner of Instagram. Tap Following. If you've got the change, you'll see Least Interacted With and Most Shown in Feed near the top.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you want to do this, go to the following tab, tap on Sort by Default, and check how you want the list to be other. If you chose earliest, it would show who you followed first in chronological order. If you check the latest, it will show you who you followed recently in chronological order.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.